Introducing profile widgets. Finally guys, Discord just roll out a new feature called profile widgets. So I want to show you how to use the profile widgets on Discord. First thing, you need to simply tap on check it out, and here you notice that I have already added some widgets. So if you haven't seen this message, so you need to simply first tap on your profile. Now tap on edit profile, and here you will find there is a new option profile widgets. So simply tap on this one. So here you notice that I can easily add some favorites and liked game status on my profile. So here I want to just put my favorite games. So you need to simply tap on plus if you want to randomly add a game. So you need to simply search the game. Now I want to just add another status, which one is I want to play. So here I want to just select the Minecraft, and I have just added 2 games. Now tap on save widgets. So here you notice that I have added 2 widgets on my Discord profile. So now I want to just close the settings, and here you will notice that it will be display a new game collection widget option. So now I can easily check out all my favorites game here by using this profile widget feature which recently updated. So in this way you can easily use the profile widget on Discord which recently rolled out on Discord app. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.